What's good YouTube, JD here, back with yet another review for you guys, and I am so hyped to do this review because we are talking about a pair of shoes that is inspired by the city that I live in, Berlin. I'm going to be talking about the Civilist Nike SB Dunk Low Thermography. What up fam? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down this sneaker, talking a little bit about the inspiration behind the shoe. We'll of course get into the technology that makes this shoe such an insane collab. I'll also talk about sizing, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video. So here it is, the Nike Dunk Low Civilist. So how I managed to get this was I actually won the raffle at Civilist. And for those of you who don't know, Civilist is a skate shop based out of Berlin. It is in the Mitte district of Berlin, and it's pretty much the go-to shop for everything skateboarding here in the city. They were founded in the year 2009. This is not actually the first time they've collabed with the Nike SB Dunk. They've also released a pair of Dunk Highs back in the year 2013. Of course, this is a super limited sneaker, and I was just lucky that the store that made this shoe happened to be in my city. So of course, they had the most stock available. For the raffle itself, one of the questions on the raffle form was, who is your favorite techno artist? The raffle went live Sunday, August the 23rd at 7 p.m. local time here in Berlin, and just for fun I looked at the search history during that time, and right around 7 p.m. that day the words techno artist had a huge spike in search traffic. I just thought that was pretty funny. But enough about that, let's get into the sneakers themselves. And for those of you who don't know, underneath this black layer, I know it looks like a boring pair of black shoes in my hands, but there is a lot more than meets the eye with this shoe, and to show you that, I will do a live demonstration right now. I'm gonna use my girlfriend's hair dryer to show you guys this. And there you go. And no disrespect to any of the other sneakers and any of the other dunks that have dropped this year, but I'm sorry, this is for me the dunk of the year. This is just absolutely insane. So this shoe has a thermographic fabric that covers the outer portion of the shoe. Basically, it reacts to heat, and that's what reveals the colors underneath. It's a technology that's actually been around for a while. It's used a lot by the military. Some of you guys may be wondering, does it actually change back to black? Well, you can probably already tell it's starting to turn back to black, and how long really depends on the room that you're in. It depends on the temperature of the room. The colder it is, the faster it will turn back to black. You can actually fast forward this by putting the shoes in the fridge, or even using maybe like an ice cube. That's what I tried to do here to make the swoosh black. And the inspiration for these colors, of course, came from Berlin itself. Berlin is pretty much the techno capital of the world. The club culture here is probably second to none. And I'm not even kidding when I say this. It's possible to actually go to a club here on a Friday night and come out on a Sunday. The party scene is just absolutely insane here, and that's where these colors come from. The shoe represents Berlin so well, in my opinion, even when it's just black, because black is probably the favorite color here in Berlin when it comes to fashion. And the black revealing the hidden colors underneath, I just think it really represents like a typical Berlin club goer who's usually wearing all black when they go to the clubs here. So I really think when it comes to the storytelling and the technology of the shoe, like, this is as good as it gets. Really, really good job, Civilist. I don't know if you guys are watching this, but you guys absolutely killed this collab. And in case you guys were interested, the exact temperature when the shoe will change color is 31 degrees Celsius or 88 degrees Fahrenheit. The box that I got with the shoe, I just got a regular Nike SB box. However, there was a special friends and family only box, which I unfortunately didn't get, but this box is insane, just like the shoe. It is also covered in this thermal fabric material. The shoe also features your standard Nike SB tongue, that padded tongue, and it has a Nike SB logo featuring a pixelated swoosh. You can see some subtle Civilist branding too as well on the back half of the swoosh. Another thing you get with this shoe is 3 pairs of laces, a red pair, yellow, as well as blue, and it also comes with the standard black laces. And that's dope because when the shoe is black, you can put the colorful laces on just to add that bit of flavor to the shoe. The insole of the shoe also features that thermographic print. It has Civilist and Nike SB branding, as well as this Civilist logo, this smiley face. Very quickly, if you guys haven't already done so, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I'm dropping content every single week. And of course, hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. That helps me out a lot. In addition to these shoes, Civilist will also be releasing some exclusive t-shirts. There is that pixelated logo on one and a thermographic smiley face on the other. Probably it will be releasing on the same day that the shoes release. When it comes to sizing, now this is an SB dunk. So for me, SB dunks, they fit a bit too tight if I go true to size. So I do like to go a half size up in these. These are the plum dunks. This is a regular pair of dunks. You can see it doesn't have the padded tongue. So I fit true to size perfectly in regular dunks. However, in SB dunks, I personally feel like I need to go half a size up. They're just too tight if I go true to size. Let me quickly talk about resale as well. I think if you look at all of the dunks that have dropped this year, especially the hyped SB dunks, you can see that resale on these pairs have been just insane through the roof. And we've never seen this kind of material on any sneaker before. I think this is gonna end up being one of the dunks of the year and one of the most hyped pairs to release this year. I do not plan to resell this. I am keeping this pair. This is just too special of a release. But if you guys did cop for resale, I wouldn't personally sell right now. I would hold on to it for a few months. It's one of those shoes where the longer you hold, the more money you're gonna make off of it. It's just gonna be that hyped. Well, what are my final thoughts on the shoe? Is it a cop or a drop? Well, it's a Berlin sneaker. I love the storyline. I love the technology behind the shoe. So for me, without a doubt, it is a 100% cop. Let me know down in the comments what you guys feel about the Nike SB Dunk Low Civilist. When I posted this on my Instagram, there were actually quite a few people who told me that if there was one shoe that they had to cop this year, it would definitely be these, regardless of the price. If you haven't already done so, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Definitely the easiest place to contact me, and I do drop quite a bit of content on there as well. The on-feed portion of the video coming up right now. Thank you guys so much for messing with the channel and for watching this video. And until next time, guys, peace.
You know you got to be strong.